Okay, welcome to my channel. It's just me, Tambari, and we are in my bathroom. I know, change the scenery, and don't judge me, with the just, I probably shouldn't have even said that because, you know, you people that are there judging me, God is judging you. I went there. Today, we are going to do a blowout. And I'm pretty sure you've already seen the intro, how it looks like. I just stepped out of the shower maybe like 30 minutes ago, so my hair has dried more than I would have liked it to, but that's okay. So this is the semi-dried, well, stepped out of the shower hair that I have. And so this is what like my whole channel is about. Do you see that right there? It's just the different curl patterns. It's super weird. And one of the reasons why I wear a blowout is so that I can match the lengths and it looks normal. This to me doesn't look normal at all. It's weird. It's giving like, I don't even know what kind of mullet this is. I have no idea. So anyways, freshly cleaned hair. What I do next is use leave-in conditioner. This is one of my OG favorite leave-in conditioners by Garnier Fructis. I like leave-in conditioners that are liquidy and have a lot of slip. I don't like the really thick ones. My hair just doesn't like it. Then again, I have like different curl patterns, so who knows what my hair really likes, but usually this is what works for me. And I just spread it all across the mane. And because this is a blowout, I'm not going to put a lot of, actually that's pretty much the only product I'm going to put in my hair. Besides, what's that thing called that people use to protect their hair? Heat protectants. I'm gonna put some of that in my hair and then just blow dry with some heat. Yes, I use heat on my hair. It's not high heat, but it is heat. No one come for me. And that's not the reason why my hair has different textures and curl patterns, because even before I started using heat on my hair, I was already dealing with this. So before anyone says, oh, that's heat damage, it's not heat damage. It's really just different curl patterns all over my hair. Okay, found my heat protectant, heat tamer, whatever. It's by Tresemme. This is the one I use when I blow dry my hair. I use a different brand. I use Chi when I flat iron. I flat iron only once a year. You guys will be seeing that soon, but yeah, so just spray this around. Not too much. I really like doing this. This is like, it feels so nice. Okay, and then we will get to the blow drying. The blow drying. Of course, as you can tell, I'm not filming with my camera. I'm using my phone because I don't have, now that I'm thinking about it, I definitely could have used my camera in this, but that would have taken way too long to set up, and I have a busy day today. I generally split my hair into 3 sections. So this is the first section. It is nice and detangled from conditioning, so all I literally do, right, is like take a section, like so, like this, and then I blow dry on high setting but warm. All right, brought out the white tooth comb because I decided to go for a slightly fluffy look. For some reason, when I use the white tooth comb, my hair comes out a lot more fluffy and cottony, like a cloud. The rainbows and sunshine. Ruby. Okie dokie. Now, the next section, let's do, okay, I'm gonna do another layer. So like that. Obviously it's not a straight line because I'm not braiding, twisting, or doing anything. Let's get started. I might just add a little bit of oil. This is a, what is it? It's an oil serum. I just really like the smell. And just to give my hair extra. I forgot, like this is winter time. I don't know when this video is gonna come out, but right now it's winter. And so air is dry. I need to seal in the moisture. All right, that's the second layer done. Now we're gonna do the third layer. Oops. Exposing myself there a little. Ah! I don't know how YouTubers film in bathrooms unless they have massive bathrooms, which, you know, in order for me to have a massive bathroom, I need to make more money. And for me to make more money, I need you guys to hit the subscribe button and a like button and share this video.
Also, turn on the notifications.
Like he said, turn on the notifications. Okay, we are almost there. So let's split this in half this way, since I always do middle part. Yeah. Do the middle part, and here's what it is. I know, like I used to use castor oil a lot, but I don't know, as I've switched over to lighter oils, I am experiencing less shedding. I don't know if it's also because, actually I think that's the biggest change I have made to my hair regimen, is reducing the heavy products that I use. Don't use shea butter, don't use curl creams anymore. Yeah, that's all I removed. Otherwise, everything has stayed the same, and I'm experiencing less shedding. So, yeah. So I don't know if you noticed, but the technique I'm using, right, is because my hair is already like basically detangled from my wash. What I do is that I don't, obviously because I don't have like loose texture like wavy hair or straight hair, I can't just run my comb through my hair like easy in its natural state. So when I blow dry, I kind of blow dry until I comb until it stops, and then comb again and stretch it out until it stops, until it stops, until it stops, and eventually I'll be able to comb through with ease. And once I get to that, I stop blow drying because my hair is as stretched as I need it to be. If that made any sense. You'll see again on this side once I show you. So oil, serum, spray, spray, spray. Ah! It got on my face. Oh god, it got on my face. I don't need oil on my face. I have oily skin, or oily combination skin, so I don't do oil on my face at all. Lord. There we go. Before I start breaking out, anyways, let's get in the oil. Alrighty. So that's how I blow dry. I blow dry like comb and then comb until it reaches the very end. And honestly, I don't really get a lot of shedding this way, so, or hair breakage. I don't know. So that was just to like demonstrate how I comb while I blow dry. Otherwise, if I'm not blow drying, clearly I start from the bottom and work my way up. Hey guys, so this is 5 hours after I blow dried my hair. I went out to do some errands and whatnot, but this is the end result of my blow dries. As you can see, I have volume thanks to my pick. I just pick it out to get that volume, but yeah, this is what we have. And this is how I'm gonna wear it for the rest of the week until my next wash day.
Honestly, having a blowout is one of the easiest and low manipulation hairstyles for me because I don't touch it. When I go to bed, I just like pull it back and put it in a bonnet and sleep. That's it. Or I just still kind of hold it back in a very loose low ponytail and then sleep on my satin pillowcase, and that's it. And I wake up in the morning, fluff it with a pick. There we go. So there's very minimum manipulation, and because it's in a stretch state, you know, there's not as much breakage, and so by the time wash day comes around and I'm detangling, really there's really not much detangling to do, and there's less shedding and whatnot. So blow dried stretched hair is my fave, and it's also like a look. Like, come on, look at this. Let me know if you guys like this look in the comment section. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button as well if you enjoyed this video. Also, let me know if you're into blowouts and how you rock your hair during the week and whatnot. Let's just have a conversation in the comment section, because that's why I'm here, to learn from other people who have my type of hair, my type of hair struggles as well. So in the meantime, I will share some more hairstyles that I do to overcome having multi-textured, multi-curl pattern hair. But anyways, until next time, I guess I'll catch you guys later. Bye.